Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn, and for today's topic, we are going to talk about the latest update regarding the Onehealthpass to enter Philippines. There is now a simplified registration for the Onehealthpass. However, all family members, you must register individually, so make sure that you have a valid email address. All passengers must register within 72 hours prior to departure. It means prior to first flight if you have a connecting flight. Please also be aware of a fake website collecting money. The Onehealthpass is a free website. This is the actual website. Make sure that you log into the actual website. Here's the actual website for the onehealthpass.com.ph, and then when you reach the dashboard, just click OK. Fully vaccinated passengers do not need to quarantine. If you are a foreign national, you must be fully vaccinated. Also, Filipinos do not need to be vaccinated. Click on the icon One Register, scroll down and click OK, and then Done and Close. It will ask you when is your departure going to the Philippines. You must do this registration within 72 hours. If it is more than 72 hours or more than 3 days, it will not allow you to proceed or to enter information. Select the port of entry, airport. Select the airport, let's say Mactan, Cebu. Arriving as aircraft passenger, click on the classification, whether you're a foreign national and whether you have been vaccinated and what is your vaccination card. So there are options. Please take note that if you register earlier than 72 hours or later than 72 hours, you won't be allowed to register. Make sure that your flight is within 3 days prior to arrival in the Philippines. So within 3 days, you can register and indicate the necessary information. Select the airport, the classification, aircraft passenger, and if you are a Filipino, you can select either OFW or non-OFW. But if you are a foreign national or former Filipino, select former or select foreign national and indicate if you have been vaccinated, and also what is your vaccination card. Indicate national vaccine card, and you must also provide the country where you are vaccinated. Click on Next. And then scroll down. You must enter your personal profile, your last name. Please make sure that incorrect information may delay your registration. Indicate your last name, first name, sex, male or female, birth date. You must also select your civil status. There is a drop-down menu, and then for nationality, select your nationality. For occupation, select occupation. There is a drop-down menu as well. Let's say, for example, you are a retiree or a pensioner. Also, you must provide your passport number. Another new information is the country code. If you are from the US, select 1. The reason is that there is a country code assigned per country. You must also provide your contact number. This is your current number or your current number that you are using. You can either use a Philippine phone number or an international phone number. You must also provide a valid or current email address. There is another new information. You must provide your highest educational attainment. Let's say you got some college, and also provide your permanent country of residence. For example, United States of America. Next would be your country of birth. Select your country, and then permanent city of residence. This is your residence outside of the Philippines. For example, Las Vegas. You must also provide your residence details. If residence, you must provide the street, province, and municipality. Make sure that you provide the correct information. Let's move on to the travel details. This is your travel itinerary, your country or territory of port of exit, for example, United States. And then you must enter your airline name and flight number. If you're unable to provide the flight number under the drop-down menu, you can also specify under others. There's another new information, estimated days in the Philippines. If you are a foreign tourist, you are allowed 30 days, visa-free stay. Also, for other nationalities, there are certain number of days for your stay in the Philippines. You must also provide your main purpose of visit to the Philippines. If you're a foreign national, there's also a drop-down menu. You can select pleasure. Now, let's move on to the vaccine information. You must provide your first dose, date of first dose, let's say March 1st, and also the name of the vaccine. There is a drop-down menu for the selection of a vaccine. Let's say Pfizer. And then the second dose, click yes, and date of second dose, and then the name of vaccine. If you have a booster dose, click yes, and then the date of booster dose. You must also select the name of the vaccine for the booster. In addition, you must also select the country where the booster was obtained or performed. You must also upload the vaccine card or certificate. If you have a booster dose, you must also upload another proof of booster dose. So you must upload both documents. Next, countries traveled. These are the countries worked, visited, and transited in the last 30 days. Select country 1, for example, United States of America. Country 2, if you have a layover in another country, for example, Japan. Let's move on to the next, exposure history. History of exposure to known, probable, or confirmed COVID-19 case. Click yes, no, or unknown. Let's move on to the clinical information. Have you been sick in the past 30 days? Click yes, and then provide the symptoms. If no, you don't have to do anything. Let's move on to the next information. Comorbidities. Do you have any comorbidities? If yes, select any signs and symptoms. If no, you don't have to select anything. For data privacy and affidavit of undertaking, just scroll down, and you must attest that all the information must be true and correct based on your personal knowledge. Put a check mark on the box and enter the CAPTCHA security. Enter the letters and numbers and hit submit. You will receive a confirmation and QR code. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you guys for supporting my channel, and if you haven't liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I always welcome new subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you guys for supporting my channel. I hope everyone is staying safe and have a great day.